Hello and welcome to Coding Surprise YouTube channel. My name is Nitesh. So for today's topic, we'll be discussing about Git. So on this video, we'll discuss about Git versus GitHub, setup repository, and top 10 commands. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. So before we start, there are some links that I provided on the description below. Please do check out that link. Let's start. So first one is Git versus GitHub. So we'll discuss some major difference between Git and GitHub. So number one is Git is a version control tool to track the changes in the source code, whereas the GitHub is a web-based cloud service to host your source code. So they are completely different. So in Git, it is installed and maintained on your local system, like in terminal or command in window, whereas GitHub it is exclusively for cloud-based. Git doesn't require GitHub, but GitHub, it does require Git. Some of the most used Git command are git init, git pull, git push, git merge, and so on. So some example of cloud are Bitbucket, Azure DevOps, GitLab, GitHub, etc. So these are the four major differences between Git and GitHub. They two are completely different. So there are some other video related to GitHub I have provided on description section. Please do check out so that you will understand in depth. So the first step to create a repository is just type github.com. So right now we are using GitHub. You can use anything like Bitbucket or anything you want, any cloud computing you want. So just click on sign up. Then since I already signed up, so I'll just simply go to the sign in. So you have to create an account to create a repository. So I'll just use my user account and password. So once you sign up, you will be able to get those username and password over here. So just once you create that, you will see this this window. So after that, in order to create a new repository, just you have to go to the new section. Just click on the new, and then it will provide you what kind of name do you want to name your repository. So for right now, I'll put teaching project as my repository name. So you can put any name you want over here. So it will be your you can either make it public or private. It's all up to you. So for me, I'll make it public right now in order to see everybody. So and also I'll add one readme file. So if you don't want to add, that's up to you. For me, in order to make it easy, I'll add that as well. So now you can see that we created our first repository, that is tutorial for tutorial purpose. So as you can see, we are in the main branch right now. So after that, all you have to do is like clone this repository on your local one, and then you start working. After that, pull, push. So the first step is you need to copy your repository. So this is how the repository looks. So all you have to do is like click on the code and just click on the copy. So this will copy the URL. So if you want to know how to set up that Git repository, then you can check out another video. So next one is Git clone. So what it does is it will clone all the repository. So just type git clone and copy paste the link. So yeah, as you can see, it has copied everything on the folder named GitHub. So as you can see, the folder name teaching projectory repository. So after that, I'll go inside by using cd and the folder name. So this command line I have discussed on the terminal video. Please go check out that terminal video as well. So if you want to see something inside the teaching project, just type ls. And if you want to see the hidden file, just type ls-a. So the next one I'll be discussing is git branch. So what it does is like it will show you all the branch name that has on that master file. So as you can see right now, I cloned the master, so that's the reason I'm able to see the master. So in future, whenever you create another branch name, you will be able to see over here. So all you have to do is like just type git branch. So after that, I'll be discussing how to create the branch name. So for that, what you have to do is like type git branch and your branch name. So this way it will create different branch names. It's always better not to work on the master in future as well. You know, like in company, you never work on the master. So create a habit of working on different branch. So as you can see now with git branch, I can see the developer file that I created, and the master file was what we are still in. So this green sign shows that we are still in master. So let's go check out another command, that is git checkout. So what it does is like it helps you go in that developer file. So with this git checkout and your branch name will switch to the developer branch. So now you can see the developer is green now. So now you are inside the developer branch. So now another one is git status. So what this git status does is it will show you what file or folder has been changed. So to do that, let's see what are the file we have inside now. So with ls you can see the file, and with mkdir you can create the demo folder, and with cd demo you can go inside that folder, and now with touch you're gonna create the file name inside that demo. So I will be creating, and also I'll be providing some information inside that touch file. So to do that, I'll be using vim. These all the command that I'm using right now is mentioned on the terminal video. You can go check out those things, so what it actually does, so it will be clear for you. So with cd dot I'll be going back, and after that like I'll be like I need to see like whether I made any change or not. So with git status you can see I made some changes. That is, I created a demo folder, and inside that I created a demo file. So as you can see the changes that I made. So with this git status you will be able to see the changes. So another one is git add done. So what it does is like it will push, it will help you add whatever the changes you made in the local repository. So now with this git command you say that okay, my code is ready, now I need to push it to the repository, right? So with this, now after that you will be using git commit and git push to push your command to the repository. So what now this git commit will give the message like what actually you changed. So as you can see with this git commit -app, and in the quotation mark I'll just give any message I want. So I'll just write like I created demo file. So with this you will be giving a message, and with the git push you will be pushing to the repository. So also remember that like whenever you type a git push, if that branch is not on the master you won't be able to see that. So to see that you have to push with set upstream origin developer. So just copy paste whatever is shown over there and just paste it over there. So this way your developer branch will be created on the repository, so on your remote repository. So by doing this you will be able to create your developer branch on your remote repository. So with this git commit and with this git push, now everything you have updated is in the remote. So now the next step is pull request. So as you can see on over here, you see your branches over here as a developer. Now you have to merge your developer branch to the master branch. To do that, just click on the pull request and give some message on that, like what kind of changes was that. And now you see that we are comparing developer with the master, and you are giving the comment, and after that create pull request. So once you do that and just merge pull request and just confirm the merge, and if you don't want that branch anymore you can delete it. Since I don't want that, I'll just delete it. So this is how you create a pull request. So as you can see now, like the changes that you made just now, you can see your demo file over there, demo folder. So after that, the final one you're going to use is git pull. So what it does is like right now, whatever we have over here, we are still in developer branch, right? So we need to go back to the master branch. So we will be pulling everything from our remote to the local. Right now, our local is not up to date. So now when I type the git pull, as you can see, the demo has been pulled. Also git fetch, git merge, and git delete are also some other commands. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll be posting more and more video in upcoming days. So also please check out the link that is provided on the description section below that is related to this video. That will help you a lot. Thank you very much.